week boating because we rented a boat. And they probably heard us.
Everyone looking at us like, what did you guys just say?
We got some dive balls because
we got dive balls because we're in the ocean. Not the ocean lake. Okay.
Yeah, guys, we're in the
There's
ocean.
a very different thing. Ocean
And
is very deadly
we were
and
in the
scary.
lake, we met a friend that was just swimming around. What, dude? Yeah,
He's over there. He's our friend.
I'll grab him for you.
Evolutions, Lost Thunder, and Burning Shadows. Hey, isn't that the set I got the
Look
trophy?
at our best friend. He's cute
His name's
too.
Flim Flam.
Lucario coin.
Yeah.
I got a Charizard on Burning Shadows, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, last video Jacob got a Charizard out of Burning
I got a
Shadows.
Rainbow Rare
Pretty
Charizard.
cool.
Yeah.
What's the coin, Lucario?
Oh, nice.
Okay, guys, first pack.
Wait, what? Oh wait, who
Can
gets
I?
open first? This is a serious
Can I open
process,
first?
guys. What?
No, yeah,
I went
mine's already
first.
open.
Wait, can we just open one at a time like
Balls
a
come with a Lucario coin. And then the
Let's
number
all do a
18.
pack battle. Oh, and by the way, he didn't get a solid green, he got winning
Ooh, a
green.
pack battle?
Yeah, can we all do a pack battle?
What pack did Jacob open?
This is gonna be so hard. I can't see the card.
What
I can say
pack
for you.
did you open, Jacob?
Fire Energy.
What pack was that?
No.
Wait.
Noctowl.
Oh, I know. It was
Sandy.
Burning
Gas.
Shadows.
Oh, okay.
Guys, he opened Burning Shadows, and we were gonna do a pack battle. We decided.
Mercy.
Oh!
Gold
goodness.
Energy.
A golden energy?
That one, dude.
Dude, just do it.
Do it like this. Yeah, let's go.
That's your first ever
Golden energy.
Second. No, you had a gold Ultra Ball, not energy.
Oh man.
Well, now it's my
fun
turn to
fact,
open mine.
We actually brought sleeves this time. We're that smart. Where are the sleeves, guys? Where are the sleeves?
Now it's even my turn.
really cool.
These
So,
have sleeves.
guys, we are doing a pack
there are
battle. I think he won this one. This
That's a really cool card.
guys, I think he won
Oh my
this.
gosh, why can't you spend water type? Get out of here.
Guys, I think
Here's the sleeve.
guys, I'm pretty sure he won this round of pack battle.
But I haven't
Wait,
opened
the
yet.
fire luck is still happening because I got the Charizard.
Oh, can I eat it
Yeah,
into
that's
the
right.
ocean?
The fire luck.
Yeah, the
Don't
fire
eat
luck.
it. Don't eat it in the ocean. Eat in
It's
joking.
the fire luck because I got the Charizard.
fire luck. Yeah,
Guys, I'm not that dumb.
that's pretty nice. That's really nice.
Did you
Very
get, what
nice.
code did you get? All green?
Energy,
He got. It's all green.
Sun Stage, Porygon,
Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that.
Charmeleon,
You opening Burning?
Horsey, need to do things, Gligar, Riolu, Cutiefly, Knockout,
Burksfish.
and Bruxfish.
Oh,
Nice
breakfast, and we're doing an ocean. I mean, lake
yeah.
video.
You put it in the water. See if we can swim.
So, I did a video, and I opened the pack like this, and my editor made a joke like I was murdering the cards, and I was
It's all called Flip and Slide, dude.
called the flip and slide.
Oh, you guys all our own bag?
I won Draco Green Pokemon.
Wait, did we get our own
Here's
bags?
a code. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's do this, guys. Oh, they're slightly damaged on the top. I wonder if that was because of me blunching the
Don't
pack.
put them in there.
We got Psychic Energy.
Well, I have to.
We got
Wait, do we
a
have bags
Trainer.
to put the cards in,
We
or
got a
we're gonna
Rhyhorn.
cards?
We got a
Is that for me?
Lunatone.
But they're gonna all get mixed
Do we have
Stuffle,
three?
Crab Brawler, Moral, Sandygast, Vanillipede,
least two or three.
Versalis, the Vibrant, Persian. Which
I'm
one, guys?
putting it Lost Thunder.
Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Ooh, mine's thick. Mine's like really thick. I feel honky. Isn't it thick? That is thick.
Green code tab.
Yeah. Oh, that means I have a chance of beating you this time.
I do too. We're
Also,
doing it in
guys,
this
if you
room.
look in the back, you can see all those houses.
They're
I
beautiful.
own not a single one of them. Pretty nice. That's hilarious. Flim Flam.
I mean, we own nothing.
Slugmaballs. Populio.
Why is it whenever you always pull
Yamask.
Slugma, you're like Slugmaballs? It's
Vampy.
not funny.
Ooh, I know.
It's hilarious.
Okay, guys, my turn.
He's opening.
Yeah, we're in row.
It's like
Oh,
your
it's like a
girlfriend, Jago,
Lugia in
lucky me.
Lost
I should have said.
Yeah, there is Rainbow Rare Lugia. It's the most expensive card in that set.
Really?
Yeah, it's Rainbow Rare Lugia.
Let's pull a Rainbow Rare Lugia. Oh
Okay, this is not
no.
Burning Shadows.
Sad music plays. Look at that. I don't even need to insert sad music.
Wait.
That's a priority. Oh, my feet are starting to burn.
Zombie.
Yeah, I'm silver.
Oh, we have evolutions.
Good guys, last pack. What Pam would I get? Code.
So what?
Oh,
okay. I wonder.
we all lost pack.
What was your
I'm gonna
rare?
put that for the front.
You mean reverse?
We have a fire
You have
energy,
to go through our reverse.
a marine, Magnesian trainer, a Natu, a Houndour,
I
A
had a
Diglett,
reverse rare.
a Trico, a Chansey, a reverse holo Litwick, and a
Wait, what was your reverse?
Beartic.
I won that round because I got a reverse rare and both of them didn't.
Evolutions.
Now this is
Super hard
Evolutions
set to
pack
find
next,
now.
'cause it's quicker.
That we're just opening. Because
In
we're
the
cool.
ocean. Do they have Blastoise in the set? Oh yeah, I'm an
Can I
idiot.
see it?
White and green.
You just got white and green.
When your brain goes, you know. Feeling that? Oh, I feel like a GX.
A GX.
It's an EX, my guy. Okay, so we have that.
Get a Mega Blastoise. Get a Mega Blastoise.
Did you guys see that? I saw the glimmer on the top.
Me
there.
too.
In the sun. Did you see that on camera? I
I can
wonder.
see it
I
right
see
now.
that.
Voltorb, Tangela, Reverse Holo Caterpie. Oh my gosh. Reverse Holo Caterpie.
My favorite. My favorite.
Another
Pokemon.
Venusaur.
Venusaur
Oh, it's EX.
EX. That's a joke sound.
Venusaur. Just a solid green. I hate solid greens. Wait, what is the white and green?
Here you go, Jay. Only the luckiest of people.
Did I follow you?
Ooh, I'll say them for you, Uncle.
Yes.
Trainer,
Those are better.
Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, a Reverse Holo Diglett,
Ooh, Blastoise EX.
and a Blastoise
It goes perfect because we're in the lake.
We're
Go
in
in
the
there.
lake.
Go sweat.
Though, wouldn't it be so scary?
Where's the sleeves?
Right here. Don't worry, he didn't actually throw a card. I should add a disclaimer. Not a single card got thrown into the lake. No fish are gonna die from us throwing cards in the lake because we didn't put any cards in the lake, okay?
I know
Even though he's faking it and he's faking it,
What
we
does
didn't throw a
cardboard
single
taste
one.
like?
Okay,
You already
Evolution's
eat it
back
in
now.
every video. You already know.
Oh my goodness, that was
Let's just put our poles in the bag.
deadly.
He got white and green too.
I'm lucky, Jago. This is where I stole your seat table.
Oh my god, he got the Charizard Holo.
I did four in front.
Turn around! Charizard Holo!
I did four to the front, and it's a Charizard Holo. Flying Pikachu.
Stop, sleep
A coughing,
A
very
flying
nice.
Pikachu?
Trainer, a Magnemite, oh, an Energy, a Growlithe, ooh, very nice. A Machop, ooh, Voltorb, very
Drake
nice.
is-
And a
Drake
Reverse
gets
Holo Hunter.
Drake.
Guys, I just got first $1,000 card at PSA 10. Thank you, thank you. I accidentally did four to the front because my brain can't comprehend the fact that when I do four to the front first and then I do it twice, that you don't do it the third time, you go three. Because my brain just can't comprehend that. So very nice.
You are a dumb
Beautiful Holo Charizard.
butt. Wait, we got every starter.
Also, I don't know if you knew this, but he's the level 76.
We got every single starter.
Wait, we
Put it
did?
together.
We got every starter.
Oh my goodness, we did. We got every single starter in the video. Is this perfect or what? And then this is the Pokemon I'd always pick for video games. And is that the Pokemon you always pick for video games,
Yep.
Auntie? And is that the Pokemon you always pick for video
Nope.
games, Diego? Oh, really? Wow. But if it was only these three as an option, who would you pick? See, that's what I meant. Wow, we just got all 3-star cards, guys. Pretty insane out of these beautiful water dive ball Pokeballs in a lake.
And these are all our favorite starters. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And be excited for part 2, aka our second lake video,
'Cause Drake
where
just
we
got
might
Charizard.
do a
That's what's
giveaway.
One sec, I want to go check out the flamingo.
But you have to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, we won't do a giveaway. We're being very serious there, guys. We're being very serious.
Guys, Zago can't move with the unicorn. It's pretty funny because he can't get me, and I can call him any name I want to, and he can't come over here and beat me up. Like, lol, you didn't get a Charizard. Now he can't beat me up. 'cause he can't even get over here. Guys, I'm coming over to you. We got a Charizard, a Venusaur, and a Blastoise. That took me a second to remember. That was a long time ago. 1 hour ago is a long time ago. So, I think Anki's trying to help Jago. So in a couple hours, when they're over here, we'll say goodbye, I guess. Yeah. And we'll do... It's been 5 real life hours.
Tell me when you're good. I'm good. Blastoise! You suck.
Charizard!
Yes, nobody loves him. And I have to scream here.
And now yours. Nobody's around, so it's perfect.
Oh! Venus! Woo!
Let's go.
I'm gonna get someone to come over here.
I just
cleaned
caught
it out
a
for you.
Feebas. It's Feebas. Guys, I just did a raid on Jago's phone and he got this Sheldon, I think. So I was talking about my shelter I did with Jago's phone on a raid, and it's a perfect shelter. Wait, it's called a Sheldon, sorry.
3, 2, 0. 3, 2, 0. I actually did it.
Wait, Archie, did you say 3, 2, 0?
3, 2, 0. I did it. Can I jump off the top of our house?
Oh my goodness, that was good.